Now today's topic is predecessor number. Have you heard that word? No. Now what is predecessor number? I will explain. Listen carefully. See predecessor number. What is predecessor number? Predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before the number. Have you heard this word just before number? Yes, he heard in the earlier classes about before number. Yes, 5 before you can say very fastly. 5 before what? Just before 5, just before 1 2 3 4 5. 5 just before what you get? 4. Yes, like that. 8 just before what you get? 7. You know the about before number. Yes, instead of the before number place, here we are using predecessor number. Why? Because you are growing up children, you want to learn more words. That's why instead of the before number place, here we are using the predecessor number. Understood it is? Before number means, predecessor number means nothing but before number. Okay. Before number, predecessor number, both are same. But instead of the before number place, we are using the predecessor number. Okay. One more definition you see. We know predecessor of a given number is 1 less than the given number. 1 less than means 1 subtract. Okay, you subtract 1 from the given number, you get the predecessor number of the given number. Here observe one digit subtraction table. See, predecessor of 1, subtract 1 from 1. You take one finger, close one finger. 1 minus 1, 0. So you can say predecessor of 1 is 0. What is predecessor of 2? You subtract 1 from 2. Take two fingers, cut one finger. So what you get? 1. So you can say predecessor of 2 is 2 minus 1, 1. Now predecessor of 3. You subtract 1 from 3. Open 3 fingers, cut 1 finger. What you left? 2. Yes. So predecessor of 3 is 3 minus 1, 2. Similarly, predecessor of 4 is 4 minus 1, 3. Predecessor of 5 is 5 minus 1, 4. Predecessor of 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Predecessor of 7, 7 minus 1, 6. Predecessor of 8, 8 minus 1, 7. Predecessor of 9, 9 minus 1, 8. Okay. Predecessor number means what? Just before number. When you subtract 1 from the given number, you get the predecessor number. See here, predecessor of 1 digit number. You find the predecessor number of the given number. Here, 8, I given 8. Predecessor of 8. What is that? Just before number. What? You subtract 1 from 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So you can say predecessor of 8 is 8 minus 1, 7. Predecessor of 9. Second example. Predecessor of 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Predecessor of 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Already we discussed this. It about table. Okay. Now one more. Go for next. Observe here 2-digit subtraction table. See here now we discussed till now we discussed about 1-digit numbers. Now we are going to discussing about 2-digit subtraction table. See here 10 minus 1. Can you subtract 1 from 0? No, we can't subtract. That's why I have taken 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. So predecessor of 10 is 10 minus 1, 9. Predecessor of 20. 20 minus 1, 19. Here units plus digit is 0. From 0 we can't subtract any number. So similarly from 0 we can't subtract 1. That's why you take 20. 20 minus 1, 19. Okay. Predecessor of 30. 30 minus 1, 29. Here units plus digit is 0. Okay. From 0 you can't subtract 1. So 30 minus 1, 29. Predecessor of 40. 40 minus 1, 39. Predecessor of 50. 50 minus 1, 49. Predecessor of 60. 60 minus 1, 59. Predecessor of 70. 70 minus 1, 69. Predecessor of 80. 80 minus 1, 79. Predecessor of 90. 90 minus 1, 89. Here, observe the predecessor of 2-digit numbers. Here, units plus digit 0, you can take here 2 digits. Now, here you see units plus digit, 8 is 7. Here units place digit is 7. Can you subtract 1 from 7? Yes, we can subtract. So you can say 7 minus 7, 6. So you can say predecessor of 87 is 87 minus 1, that equals to 86. Yes. Now predecessor of 75. Here units plus digit is 5. You subtract 1 from 5. Can you subtract? Yes, we can subtract. Open 5 fingers, cut 1 finger. You get left 4. Yes. So predecessor of 75 is 75 minus 1, that equals to 74. Now predecessor of 3-digit numbers. Here 243. What is the predecessor of 243? 242. Here units plus digit is 3. You subtract 1 from 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So predecessor of 243 is 243 minus 1, that equals to 242. One more example. Predecessor of 445. What is that? 444. You subtract 1 from 5. Here units plus digit is 5. 5 minus 1, what you get? 4. So predecessor of 445 is 445 minus 1, that equals to 444. One more example you see, 430. Predecessor of 430 is 429. Here units plus digit 0. Yes. So you take here 2 digits 30. What is just before number of 30? 29. So I can say predecessor of 430 equals to 430 minus 1, that equals to 429. 30 minus 1? 29. One more. Predecessor of 889 is 888. Here you see here units plus digit 9. From 9 you subtract 1. Can we subtract? Yes, we can subtract. 9 minus 1, 8. So predecessor of 889 is 889 minus 1, that equals to 888. Now observe here, predecessor of 4-digit numbers. Okay, here ones period, thousands period. How you read this? 6542. Predecessor of 6542 is, here units plus digit 2. You subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Yes. So you can say 6542 is 6542 minus 1, that equals to 6541. Predecessor of 6542 is 6541. One more example. Predecessor of 5313. Here units plus digit is 3. You subtract 1 from 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Yes. So we can say predecessor of 5313 is 5313 minus 1, that equals to 5300. 3 minus 1, 2, 12. Now predecessor of 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers, how you read? It is ones period, it is thousands period. 46,290. Here 90 means units plus digit 0. That's why you take here 2 digits. Okay. So predecessor of 46,290 is 46,290 minus 1. 90 minus 1. Already we discussed from the 2-digit subtraction table. 90 minus 1, 89. 46,289. Now one more example. 89,016. So predecessor of 89,016 is 89,016 minus 1. Here units plus digit is 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So what is that number? 89,015. See, predecessor of 6-digit numbers. See here. 8,87,963. Here units plus digit is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So predecessor of 8,87,963 is 8,87,963 minus 1, that equals to 8,87,962. One more example. Predecessor of 9,03,045 is 9,03,045 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. That is 9,03,044.